good evening and welcome to Obed TV here on YouTube. And then my brain na SC war Kumasi Asante Kotoko Unconfirmed na menu nyina nim se nyame adoma Sunday Kotoko ne had to folk this video no odd time na me pie no that we pia na you say na say bibi di nachi enti bibi nti na maba no nti ana wahye ne nso ama me na ena nyina nim se Kumasi Asante Kotoko officially womo den elanche European tour 2024 European tour through Vroom na the facilitators partner Kotoko the Kotoko beko Italy, Germany and Switzerland, France. These are the four countries catch them for now. Confirm Kotoko bebo Atlanta and Genoa. There were questions here beside we've posted the video. So expect more update on the European tour. Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ebekono. Now and then we look into so many fact issues ahead of Asante Kotoko had to focus a pure news base. A news unkwane ebabe and ray. And I made the amount. Now made the unconfirmed TME. I want to get my words right because my person may deceive the viewers of Obed TV. So unconfirmed 20-man squad for Asante Kotoko. And I will explain it to you. Let's go straight to the issues. Medical Kotoko ne Atlanta ne Genoa ne nsem ne kakra show video no. So there will be updates on that trip no in the coming days. Now first things first. From what I know within Asante Kotoko, okay, this is not confirmed, but what I know within Asante Kotoko is say Kotoko ahead of any big game. Now Kotoko activation with any of their sponsors. Mostly players are Kotoko be use so many players they are ruled out of the game. Meaning what team common am within Asia. Anytime they are Kotoko activation where they are either boy, let me because of YouTube, let me not mention any company, but say Obed. Once only say Obed was sponsorship. No, only say Obed activation, equity, public awareness. So Kotoko ni match there players use every player, but ahead of a game, especially when the game is extremely closer, say day of the activation ne bang day now Kotoko bebo born be a 1 day or 2 days. Most of the time, Kotoko use players are ammonia fit. One way or the other, they cannot play in the game. Activation. For instance, activation here Wednesday. Now Kotoko bebo Sunday, and you use any other player. But and then Friday, Kotoko bebo Sunday, no use players. They activation. I mean, these players most of the time they are ruled out. And then Kotoko any star assurance, activation. Where they new for Kotoko, like I said, unconfirmed. But the little that I know are the traditions of the club in terms of how they promote products of their sponsors, And the Kotoko star assurance activation. Now what I can tell you is that Asante Kotoko Yusuf Kalu Watara and Danlad Ibrahim for this activation. Team in common here. Now, last 2 games or even 3 games because Kotoko airball against nations. It was Poitiers and Frederick Asare. Kotoko Okobo Legon Cities. I think Kotoko yes, Legon Cities and Omiyobebo nations number Chelsea. Okay, so Kotoko against Legon Cities. I think Danlad was not on the bench. There was no pra. And a Kotoko a ball against nations, not Danlad any bench because it was Poitiers and Asare. And a Kotoko ball Chelsea, na Asare and Poitiers. So from that angle, Danlad has started training. Me catch him last week, so I started training. But for him to be part of the activation alongside Kalua. Legon City's game, from what I was told, he played through injury. Into Wambo Nations, Wambo Brekum Chelsea. it's a Kalo Set Danlad, and these two players have been absent from the last two Kotoko games because they were not 100% fitter. Then, using the traditions of Kotoko, I can tell you, say, almost 85% said Danlad and Kalu Watara out of Asante Kotoko against Hearts to Folk. But what in common, you say unconfirmed report. But this is what I can also tell you when I deduce and add 1 + 1 based on the minimum at the fast Asante Kotoko, which my activations need to pay. Your activations ahead of a gamer. You mostly obey technical because you was a player we were player if you not recover from a year injury, activation. Mostly the technical team Emma green light, Emma when you see players are or mobile bobo for the activation. Yen to uncommon so. Now, and we meeting come on. This story has been in the news for almost a year, 2 days. So has been used Babaya Edia training, has been used Babaya Edia training. From what I was told, and then Reno, and you know correct. So how to football use Babaya Sports Stadium Edia training. Sana Ekachreme. This is my source, not within Kotoko. Because has been used Babaya training and Kotoko mom and on Kasa. They have to speak to the NSC. And from what letter that in command with you honor, I was told, say, and Yadia has a big use Babaya Sports Stadium at the IE training ahead of a match on the ball against Asante Kotoko. This is what I was told. Or channel Pameba, Namadi Munchi Mwabro. Now again, another report here by said referee Reginald Collins Amwa. Ne line kasa na oyusu a obi anim no fry nko. Seven doors. Referee Reginald Amwa ne line kasa oyusu no ofre na enko. Almost say he's using a different line to protect himself and also the flow. Now, say me ni odi nkomo ni yi a ma menka asem ne nkyerɛw. Asante Kotoko team na ɛda hɔ no. Say metimi ama confirmed 20-man squad a just so kyena numere be this time. Reason being that say Kotoko nda hotel biem. Asante Kotoko team no womo ɛda omo camp ha omo baby a place no wa omo koda hotel. The first Kotoko koda hotel and now Kotoko to kwan a players no ko throw bars na otimi ko tete omo throw bars. Then you can use that to like officially mention it as the 20-man squad. With me, ehwehwe mo man ko bi no na dey 20-man squad. Se Kotoko bo home no koda hotel ho a Rosa Pearl Hotel ho na Kotoko da. With me ko tete e kind of saying hotel ho na we see ana wotwero to maybe no anya 20-man squad na wo dey ba. But this time around, from what I know, it's a Ombeda hotel, Ombeda camp. To Ombeda omo free wa numere and na Ombeda players ebeko camp. And as a players they should prepare for the game tomorrow when Omo players ni na. So what channel pa they be Kotoko training grounds. We will be at the Kotoko training ground. But catch them say it's only on Saturday. Now I'm the training news beba. So channel my reporter will be there, and it's likely that myself I will be there. But the confirmed one never back anywhere. But all things being equal, based on your monitoring of training, this is it. Team no muchemwa 11-11 ne bar. It means 11-11 we a boy. It me pick a 20-man squad. Until I'm say unconfirmed 20-man squad na me bro. And a BB na me deba. Unconfirmed one, a BB na me deba. And yes, I can say Obed. I don't do that. But for certain reasons, being as I said, me unconfirmed neighbor. Na yeshe se ni nyoma ko. Hearts to folk team no channel pa. No matter we do commercial, we do and on my first episode on Obed TV, I will give you a year Hearts to folk. Almost 22-man players. As for the 22 players, and abe kumase, me de no so ebemao. They unco unconfirmed 20-man squad no so. Send me kind a binti and ama a year me piana juya me de in some bro. One goalkeeper Freddy Kasare and Moise Poitier and about them as the goalkeepers for Asante Kotoko. Augustine Ejapon is expected to return. So Obewura team no. Ewo ochena game no. Defenders no. John Tedeku as usual with Nana Benyini Amwa as the left back. Enoch Morrison as the wing back together with Peter Akwa as another wing back. Senu Sumame and also ye die bekoso ewo ho. Center backs ne die wani tiadada. Nti Henry Ansu oni ni nua Nurudin now the Sheriff Mohammed so aka based on the ehunye ewo training grounds and me the amount like I said unconfirmed. Nti wo kan no I careful. The medal is expected. Say yebenya we fachame. Kwabena Blay. Medineka defenders no Kwabena Blay. Eso eka echiri ofo no. Nti Frederick Kasai Moise Poitier, Augustine Ejapon, John Tedeku, Nana Benyini Amwa, Enoch Morrison, Peter Akwa, Henry Ansu, Yusuf Nurudin, Nawenya Sheriff Mohammed, and Justice Blay. Wemu Omwa sebe wamujina echiri hono and mabubama 11 players akanaya mede ebro baba ya Richmond Lamte Rocky Jamana Sheriff Mohammed Michael Che Jamana Andrew Sinti Menu baba ya Richmond Lamte Rocky Jamana Sheriff Mohammed Michael Che Jamana Andrew Sinti Menu Pachueti niye fa erexeze so fa ne kan komono aka nipa mienu na aka Isaac Opon ene Steve Mukwala we unconfirmed Asante Kotoko 20-man squad. From what I'm picking, likely say Prince Adasa ebe free mu ama branch here for Augustine Ejapon mum aba bishop. From what I'm picking, Prince Adasa be free mu ama branch here for Augustine Ejapon mum aba bishop squad. This is the unconfirmed Asante Kotoko 20-man squad. I repeat it, unconfirmed Asante Kotoko 20-man squad. So change be back. I won't say the catch us unconfirmed. So me can me the energy come ma wuni ye. Frederick Kasari Moise Poitier, Augustine Ejapon, John Tedeku Nana Benyini Amwa, Enoch Morrison, Peter Akwa, Henry Ansu, Yusuf Nurudin, Sheriff Mohammed, Justice Blay, Rocky Jamana, Sheriff Mohammed, Michael Che Jamana, Andrews Intimenu, Eric Zeze, Richmond Lamte, Babayaya, na wenya abrantia ye freno Isaac Opon and Steve Mukwala said omo completed the squad at the amount ewo ho and no unconfirmed one me the ebro ewo se Obed TV. Like I said, enyoma bebre betimi asesa Danlad America say because of activation on count ade beche maybe a Danlad jinem, but based on the Nimfa Kotoko Danlad is likely to be out of the squad. Ochena the me picking here say Asante Kotoko legends no ebe pay a visit to team Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko legends ebe come mo abom akwa akosra Asante Kotoko team no akwa show mu kran enu makwa akodi nkomo bebere akwa motivate omo ahead of the game so mu jino mechi it is expected same penifo no Lord Opokun team no. Don't forget Coach Akwesi Apia is in town, so he's expected to be part of the delegation ebe ko na omakwa akoye adwuma. Before I go, and then a member of Obed team at the Baba Sports Stadium, and Asante Kotoko security guys need to nkomo. Omse Kotoko monda. They will still protect the stadium any way they can. Omoso kwa mbefa so obo stadium no ban. Ombebo stadium no ban. Na bibia etimi akoyi. Hearts will be in town, but they are not training at the Baba Sports Stadium. Say me di kan me de etu eni nti kakra ewo ho a se Obed TV metimi di abrew ena me de brew. Players are unconfirmed reports as terrorist show me di ho and are unconfirmed me Augustine Ejapon and Isaac Opon. Those are the two players as terrorist show me the Augustine Ejapon and Isaac Opon. As a full team I can confidently tell you say David Opon Frane any Abranti FN Eric Ofurientwi are not part of the squad. Nyame adu mo china. They are coming in and we say Obed TV. Until we meet again, adios, bye bye.